Hello everyone, this is Bhavna Sharma Lewis, the proud superintendent of District 76, where our mission and mantra are to embrace, empower, and excel each child each day. Our priority is to nurture future leaders and visionaries through our core values and mindset of service, passion, advocacy, respect, kindness, love, equity, opportunity, nurture. Inside our welcoming school, every learner feels valued. We focus on academic excellence and social-emotional learnings. From that, we have seen a 92% of our students grow in English and language arts, and 94% of our students grow in math. Our innovative classrooms and dedicated staff ensure that each child, each day is prepared to navigate their world. Named a 2023 Fortune Great Place to Work, our staff synergy fuels professional growth and student success. At our Sparkle Center, educators collaborate, share leadership and ownership in their teaching and learning process. We balance academic rigor with health and wellness, ensuring every space from our fitness center to innovation centers inspire and energize excellence. Join us at District 76, where our child and community-centered focus nurtures young minds and prioritizes caring and kindness. Together, our three schools form one district where we optimize excellence each day and truly sparkle on.